Hey friends, I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back with the jump off, and today I'm taking you guys along with me to the salon because your girl was in need of
a new style, a new hairdo, a new cut, a new color.
Y'all know it's only one person I trust to get me all the way together, and y'all are going to see her again in this video. So I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned.
You're not going to do nothing with me, girl, once this hair keep getting long.
And leaving hair conditioner, leaving hair conditioner, leaving hair conditioner, leaving hair conditioner.
I have certain colors in the back, so I have like cotton candy, I have mom, I have baby blue, I have like all like
You know I'm not that adventurous. Because I usually even when I wear my fro, I may want to see it like
on that side.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Because even if I foil it, it's not gonna be like a straight line.
I trust you. I'm just here. I want it, whatever is in that little section, really small. Okay. So like.
You want to be able to still retain growth and you still want to
Yeah. And I don't like when it looks highlighted. You know what I mean? How it's like highlight.
Oh yeah.
She needs some oil, she.
I already told y'all. Y'all not gonna be able to do nothing with me once this hair get long.
You're not gonna be able to do nothing with me, girl, once this hair keep getting long. I already told y'all that. We just did our 2-year post big chop and it's already longer, sleeker and fuller. I'm had to call you back. Girl, bye. I had to call you back.
Cause this hair is long. Just look, I could give you bang, bang, bang. I can't even see you. Bang. Where y'all at? Can't see you. Bang. This time next Christmas, this time next year, y'all gonna be ready to unsubscribe. Cause y'all gonna be like, I can't deal with this lady in this hair. It's doing too much. It's giving me too much. That look good. That look real good. You've been loving and caring on that hair, Geneva. Treating that hair. And girl, now look at that hair. Sweet Jesus. I might have to open the sunroof. Y'all not gonna be able to take me with this sunroof open in the wintertime. Why? Because I need it flow. I might even drive and hold my neck up out the sunroof so people can see the breast. I'm in this vlog here before it get too, sir. So before it gets too dark and too dramatic up in this car, I will leave all of Reese's information down in the description box in case you are in the DMV area and you'd like to book yourselves an appointment. I will put all the products that she uses on my hair, that she retails, products that she creates herself, down in the description box as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video.
There we go. Thank you.
And you're gonna always get it again and again and again.